G'day and welcome to Scrap Mechanic Survival. I'm actually building an elevator. The blocks that I've chosen to use in the parts list is made from this big block section here. I will put it in my hotbar here. So this, I'll be using the unlimited command, but this section, if you build giving it an edge like this, and then build the next section attached to that edge, one of these pieces will actually be able to fit in the middle. I'll just show you what I mean by that. So this piece here, if I overlay it the right way around, will be able to fit inside this frame and create an elevator, which is what I've got facing sideways at the moment. I'm just about to set up all my logic. I realised I was going to use gate switches and XORs, and that wasn't going to work, so I've put call buttons, but you can see I'm having difficulty getting to the top of it. So what I'll do is just demonstrate quickly what it looks like when it runs. So switch it on, it travels down through the framework, and it pops out at the bottom. I don't have the base in yet, but that's where the base is planning to go. Because I want to make a main base here using this piece of road and as like a garage. I'll use this bit here as a like a temporary outdoor parking for vehicles. I've got access to water over there. That's my normal farm that I'm using. That's the trader. Just through there is oil, and out of sight in that direction, but only just, is chemicals. So this is actually a really good map that I'm enjoying so far. Anyway, so what I was going to record was how do I get this set up so I can work on it a little bit easier. And the reason why I'm working on it sideways is for access wise, to make it easy to get to everything, but I can't reach these buttons because of where they are. So what I'll do is get this out of the way. No, I'll just move my lift actually. Take it off. Move the lift. I'll just go somewhere else. So what I'm doing is putting a block on my lift, putting a block on the edge of my creation, and what I want to do is roll it so I can see the buttons on the top. That should give me, yep, this gives me what I'm looking for. So now I've got it rotated 90 degrees from where it was when I started, and it means now I can get access to the logic. Why is that not working? Because it's not working because we're on a lift. How do I test it? It's not on a it's not working. Yeah, take it off the lift and it'll work fine. So there we go. What I want to do is set up the logic. So it's pretty easy. I've only got one floor and I don't have to worry about anything else. So this can be a call button. So when this runs, it switches it on. And if the lift is down the bottom, I want to. This is my doorway here to get in. So I'll put another button, which is a call button, and it will switch it off if it's down the bottom. So that's the logic. Doing the logic gates, XOR, NOR. I'm running the Fant mod as well at the moment, so some things look a little bit odd to everybody. That's what I'm doing there, and I'll just link the gates. And I don't know which one does what, which is what I often find when I'm doing logic gates. So what I'll do is I put an extra button just up here so I can press it and see which one. That one's an on, and that one's the bottom one is on, and the top one is not working. That's not working. It's on. Off is not working. I've done my gates back to front. This needs to be a NOR gate. This is the XOR gate. Okay, that's on, that's off. So off is to that side, so this switch should switch it off. The button down the bottom should switch it on. And I want to get all of this working before I stand it up and make it part of my base. So let's just quickly test it from the outside. So the lift goes down. Press the other button to call the lift to the top because it's not here. We'll bring it up. Now the two buttons in the lift. So I want my up button to go where the other up button is. So that's up. And the other one is down. So let's just check that quickly. That one should go down. Beautiful. Oh, and once it's down, call the lift. And we'll be ready to send it back up. So now I know that all works. I can finish off my lift, put its floor in, which is what these two blocks are for. Oops, put in the temporary blocks. There we go, make sure that's actually in the right spot. Does my lift still work now? Trim the base out, and I'll trim one more block. I'll add one more block to it. That's what I've got in the pistons. These ones here to allow me add a little adjustment. So there's my fine tuning. Now we're ready to weld it somewhere to make a more permanent base out of it. So let's see how we go. Can I get it first go? Got to choose what block's going to weld to what. I'll make that my weld block. What have I chosen? That's the back heel. I'm going to choose to weld at one block in the air to start with. Woohoo! There she is. Got my elevator going. And a step into the void. Cool. Got it going, yay! Now to build the rest of the base. Thanks for watching. Unscripted, all that sort of stuff. I'll build around it, make it look a bit more for my base. The height was arbitrary. I just sort of counted enough that looked kind of cool and awesome. So that's where my rest of my base is going to build out from. It's going to be there. There's going to be a garage, and we'll see how it goes. Yeah, thanks for watching. Catch you later.